Yeah, so the customer says, yeah, plenty of room to turn around. Plenty of fucking room. So we're just gonna back down the whole street. You know. Because that's fucking great. Plenty of room. The UPS guys do it. Oh yeah. With their tiny fucking vans, they do it. Fucking asshole. Just another day. Clusterfuck.com. Where the fuck are we? Plenty of room. Yeah, if you had a fucking tricycle. All clear so far. Till we get to this main road. This will be interesting. Let's see. Clear left. Right? I have no fucking idea. Left is clear. We got clearage. Let's see. Right? How's your view right? Oh, fucking beautiful. Just by yourself? Yes, sir. Let's see if we can get fucking T-boned tonight. I can't hear anything coming, so we're sticking it. We're sticking out. Holy shit. Coming about. Let's try not to ditch the cocksucker either. Coming back. I don't know. Gotta fucking love it. Is there anyone behind us? Probably not. We're in the country. Not too many fucking yokes out here. Plenty of room. Drive it right in. You dick.